Welcome mga ka-YouTuber. Good afternoon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Griffith Observatory sa Los Angeles, California. So, come with me and i-tour ko kayo sa beautiful scenery dito sa top of the mountain sa Griffith Observatory Museum. So, we will go on the building museum. So, here I am walking. So, come with me and walk with me. Oh, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng place nito. Beautiful place. Look at the view. You can view here from the top. Coming here from Anaheim, California, we take the freeway 5 to 101 and then exit to Hollywood. So and then you can go on top of the mountain. There's no entrance fee. You just pay the parking fee and everything will be alright. So ang ganda-ganda talaga ng view rito sa Griffith Observatory. So yan, tingnan nyo naman ang view, napakaganda. At samahan nyo ako yan para makita nyo ang top of the mountain. Nandito ang Hollywood sign. So makikita natin from here yung Hollywood sign nakalagay dito. So it's very impossible na makalapit ka doon ayun ang museum, yung Griffith Museum. So we will go there in a while. So just stay with me and I will walk you through on this beautiful place. So yan, ang ganda-ganda ng museum nito. Andiyan ang mountain. So we just came from the parking lot. So yan, ipapakit na kami sa taas ng Griffith Park dyan on that side. So yan ang right side ng Griffith Park Observatory. So enjoy watching the view from here. So yan, maraming tourists na nagpupunta rito. So I will walk you through on this stunning place here in Griffith Park, California. So stay with me and we will show you more. Mag-observe tayo at this is the monument for the Griffith Observatory. Very nice, beautiful place. So we'll go inside and I'll show you the museum inside the Griffith Park. Yan. And we will explore more on this beautiful place. Thank you for watching. Stay with me para makita nyo itong Griffith Observatory Park. At one day, mag-visit kayo dito at yan, makita nyo ang maraming tao because it's Sunday. So there's a lot of tourists. There's a lot of people walking by and this is my first time coming here by walk. I've been here many times dropping people because I'm doing Uber driving. So I know this place very well, but this is my first time to walk through in here. So samahan nyo ako at makita nyo yung buong building ng Griffith Park. We'll go inside and I'll show you more on this stunning place. Ang ganda talaga. Very nice place to see. So yan, maganda at stunning view from here on the top of the mountain. Come with me and yan, at samahan nyo ko lang at makita nyo napakaganda ng view dito from here on the top of the mountain. Yes, yeah. Dito ang meron si James Dean, tribute to James Dean. Meron siyang dito parang monument. James Dean is from from this area, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Down there is a house of Beverly Hills, Hollywood Hills, on that top of the mountain here. So we're getting inside, and we'll show you how to. And yeah, we just go online because they when you go inside the museum, they're checking your vaccination thing. I mean, you have to bring your vaccination paper and wear your mask inside. At least I think it's mandatory. So we are here inside the museum. We get inside already, so yan, ang ganda-ganda ng loob dito. Very beautiful place. Look at the architecture. Oh my God, beautiful. So this is the a good place. See the mural and the architecture. This is the ceiling of the Griffith Observatory. Beautiful place. Yeah. So come with me, and we will show you more on this beautiful place here in Los Angeles, California. Yes, it's beautiful. Beautiful painting on the top. So, yeah. Enjoy watching while we're here inside. So, yeah, it's all, Griffith. This is the guy who started this museum. I think his name is Griffith. Yeah. So the great city needs a great park. So Griffith is on the top of the mountain. It's beautiful. Yeah. Yan, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng mga painting. Ang ganda ng we walk you through inside here. Yes, this is the planetarium inside. So they explain all this planet here, but my knowledge is not so much. So, but this is the thing here on actual. I think they have a good machinery or a planet machine in here. They can observe. They have the big telescope to the sky, so they monitor everything from this site. That's I learned about that. So punta kayo dito, learn about this observatory building museum here. So they'll explain everything here, and you can find it also in a Google thing. So yeah, this is the they call it pendulum. I think this thing. Yeah. So there's just like this is like a big building with the wings. So each section will have kind of science thing to see. It's very nice, beautiful. So yeah, come with me, and they explain the day and night. They monitor everything here, including when it comes to science and technology. So beautiful place. So just watch and enjoy watching. Thank you very much for watching. Stay with me, and there is more to see on this side. как это заклинание, что открывает дверь? Долго.
Прочитай вот это, stars how elements of each our bodies.
If you want to know where most elements originate, look at the night sky. Most of the stars and the planets you see came from materials cooked up deep inside you.
Stars. Now those stars died, the elements were scattered.
So that's it, all my ka-YouTuber. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I'll see you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. See you. Bye-bye.